If your North Texas home insurance bill just made you say, "Excuse me, what?" you are not being dramatic. Texas home insurance has jumped hard since 2019. And here in North Texas, especially around Collin County, McKinney, Allen, Frisco, Plano, Prosper, and Celina, we are sitting in a very expensive insurance conversation. I'm Kelly Pearson with Monument Realty, and today I want to break down why your premium spiked, why buyers are underestimating this cost, and the 3 things that can actually move the needle. Because here is the truth. A fixed mortgage does not mean a fixed monthly payment. Your principal and interest may stay the same, but your taxes and insurance, those can move. And lately, insurance has been moving like it had a triple espresso. Let's start with why this is happening. Reason number 1, weather. North Texas gets hail, wind, big storms, roof claims, fence damage, gutter damage, and all the expensive little surprises that come with living in a severe weather market. And insurance companies price risk. They are looking at the zip code. They are looking at claim history. They are looking at roof age. They are looking at construction costs. They are looking at whether that area has been getting hammered by storms. So when people say, "Why did my insurance go up if I didn't file a claim?" That is the painful part. You can have 0 claims and still get hit because your area, your carrier, and your risk pool changed. Reason number 2, roofs. In North Texas, the roof is not just a roof. It is basically your insurance report card. A newer roof can help, an older roof can hurt. And some carriers are getting much stricter about roof age, roof condition, and whether roof damage is covered at replacement cost or actual cash value. That matters. Replacement cost coverage usually means the policy is designed to pay based on what it costs today to repair or replace the roof, after deductible and policy rules. Actual cash value means depreciation comes into play. So that older roof may not get paid like a brand new roof, and that is where homeowners get surprised. They think they have roof coverage. Then they find out the roof coverage changed at renewal, or the wind and hail deductible is higher than they realized, or the company will not treat partial damage the way the homeowner expected. This is why I tell every homeowner to check the roof section of the policy, not just the premium. Reason number
3, rebuild costs. Insurance is not based on what you paid for the house. It is not based on your Zestimate. It is not based on your neighbor's closing price. It is based heavily on what it may cost to rebuild the structure. And construction labor and material costs have been part of the pressure. So even if your home price feels flat, your replacement cost estimate can rise. And when replacement cost rises, insurance premiums can rise with it. Let's talk about buyers, because this is where I see a huge mistake.
A buyer will run numbers on a home and think, "Okay, I know the mortgage payment," but then the insurance quote comes in hundreds higher per month than expected. And suddenly, the affordable home does not feel as affordable. This is especially important for buyers shopping in Frisco, Prosper, Celina, McKinney, Allen, Plano, Aubrey, Melissa, and other fast-moving North Texas areas. You cannot use a national average and assume it applies here. You need a real quote, not a guess, not my friend pays this, not the online calculator said, a real quote based on the address, roof age, coverage amount, deductibles, and carrier appetite. Now, what can you actually do? Because I do not like giving scary information without a strategy. Here are the 3 things that actually move it. Number 1, shop the policy before you renew. Not every carrier wants the same risk at the same time. One company may price your home like it is sitting under a perm.
Infinite hail cloud. Another may be more competitive. So before you just accept the renewal, compare options. Work with an independent insurance agent who can shop multiple carriers. Ask what changed. Ask whether the increase is from the dwelling coverage amount, the roof, the deductible, the zip code, or the carrier's overall pricing. And do not shop only the cheapest premium. Shop the coverage. A low price with weak roof coverage can be very expensive later. Number 2, understand your deductible strategy.
This is where people get tricked by the monthly payment. A higher deductible can lower your premium. But if that deductible is 2%, 3%, or even higher on wind and hail, you need to know what that means in real dollars. Because 2% does not sound scary until it is 2% of a $600,000 dwelling limit. That could mean you are writing a very large check before insurance pays. So do the math. Ask, what is my all other perils deductible? What is my wind and hail deductible? Is it a dollar amount or percentage? What would I owe out of pocket on a roof claim? Could I comfortably cover that? That is not just an insurance question. That is a homeownership budget question. Number 3, manage the roof conversation before it manages you. This is huge in North Texas. Know the roof age, know the roof material, know whether the policy has replacement cost or actual cash value for the roof. If the roof has been replaced, make sure your insurance company has
the updated date. Ask about discounts for impact-resistant roofing materials. Ask whether a newer roof changes your quote. And if you are buying a home, do not wait until closing week to ask about insurance. I want insurance checked early in the option period because the roof, prior claims, location, and coverage availability can affect the buyer's monthly payment and confidence. For sellers, this matters too. If your roof is older and buyers are getting high insurance quotes, that can affect how the home feels financially.
It does not mean you need to panic. It means you need to know the issue before the buyer discovers it and turns it into a negotiation moment. Now, one more thing. Please do not treat insurance like a one-time closing task. This is now part of owning a home in Texas. Every year you should review your premium, your deductible, your roof coverage, your dwelling limit, your discounts, your claim history, your flood exposure, your wind and hail coverage, and whether your current carrier still makes sense. And yes, I know, it is not the glamorous part of real estate. Nobody is making a cute Pinterest board called deductible strategy, but this is the stuff that protects your budget. And in today's market, buyers are not just buying a house. They are buying the monthly cost of owning it. Mortgage, taxes, insurance, HOA, maintenance, utilities, all of it matters. So here is my bottom line. If your North Texas home insurance jumped,
it may not be random. It may be weather risk, roof age, rebuild costs, deductible structure, carrier pricing, or all of the above. But you are not helpless. Shop it. Review the roof coverage. Understand the deductible. Get real quotes early if you are buying. And if you are selling, know how insurance may affect buyer affordability before you hit the market.
Subscribe for more North Texas homeownership cost breakdowns. Or text me directly at 7202-813-640. Because the payment you can afford is not just the mortgage, it is the whole ownership picture. And that is where smart buyers and smart homeowners win.